Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the latest and upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. So we are going to discuss many bags today, many collections. If there are the product codes and the prices, guys, I would be noting on the description box below. So please take a screenshot of everything that you see here and check them with your CA. I'm inviting you guys to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about dates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, take a screenshot of the bags that you like. I will be noting the product codes, launch date, prices if available. Thank you to LouisVuitton.com and Foxy LV for sharing these. Happy shopping guys! Alright, so the very first would be from the summer collection. We have the Micro Vanity 1900 USD. Launch date is April 14, 2023. So this is made of upfront leather and it comes with the shoulder strap as well. Next, we have the Felici Pochette, still under the summer collection. The epi leather is in this very beautiful rose pink color or ballerine pink and gold hardware. Next, we have the Twist PM. So this is very beautiful, guys. I love that it comes with a top handle, gold hardware, and just look at this very beautiful guitar strap that you could wear it either way. Next, we have the small leather good. So materials upfront leather with the limited edition hardware. Just look at the Louis Vuitton flowers. So cute and very beautiful. Next, we have the Nano Speedy. Material is the upfront leather with silver hardware. What do you think of this very beautiful pistachio or mint color Nano Speedy? Then we have photos from the press release. So first we have the Twist PM on the summer collection. Material, the white one is in epi leather and the navy blue one I could see it is leather and crochet material. What do you think? Still summer collection. Can you believe this, guys? So they would be releasing a keepall this size and I love that they are using again the giant monogram. Then we have some accessories. Loving this hat over here, and I'm also seeing two capucines. One is in tweed and one is in white leather. Next, we have capucines in this basket-like material. What do you think of this one as your summer bag? Next, we have home accessories still under the summer collection. So they have pillows, they have towels, they have cups, they even have yoga mats now. Then we have trunks. I honestly love the colorway of this one for the summer collection. Looking at them, it's very cool to the eyes. I love the combination of white and blue monogram. What do you think? Next, guys, we have the men's fall winter 2023 collection. So this is the very first collection after the untimely passing of our beloved Virgil. First we have is this very cute diary bag charm. Then we have this one is one of my favorite, the Papillon Plus Charm. Material is in the epi leather. So I have one, a vintage version, but I like the mini version or the bag charm as well. And this is a softer version of the Papillon leather bag. Then we have a rolling luggage. Material is in epi leather and it is in the ombre. So the outside part is blue and the middle part is like the color of the sunset. These are new. I've never seen this on the runway. So we have the keepall. The material is in this very beautiful royal blue front leather with black guitar strap. More fall winter 2023 bags in SLG. So I'm seeing front leather in the sack plat, soft trunk, and we have the recto verso. Then I'm also seeing the card holders and leather belt. More on the fall winter 2023, we have the soft trunk in this very beautiful metallic leather. You know me guys, I love metallic leather, but what's different with this soft trunk, you could actually crush this bag because it is very moldable. Next, we have the keepall in 2 sizes, actually in 3. So we have in royal blue front leather, and then we have the keepall in the combination of canvas and metallic silver color. What do you think? Then we have the soft trunk and the material is canvas. So this is very interesting from the fall winter 2023 because it's a combination of canvas and the metallic finish as well. Still fall winter 2023, we have the roller bag in the printed design bags. Honestly, the printed design, the trompe-l'oeil detail, I am not in love, but if you are feeling that, then you may want to check that one out as well. Going back to the summer 2023 collection, so we have the mini pochette, we have the toiletry pouch, and we have the nano bucket. So the material of this one is cotton with leather trims. Next, we have the By the Pool 2023 collection. So we have Kuzan PM in blue, and then we have the Kuzan BB in the color beige. Next, we have the Neverfull. Material is the canvas and using the giant monogram. So we have 3 different colors. So we have the beige, we have the blue, and we have the pink. This is so cute, guys. What do you think? Still on the By the Pool collection, we have the On The Go. So we have 2 different sizes and 2 colors. So we have the beige and we have the color pink. I also love that it comes with this bag charm as well. Next, OMG, how beautiful are these Speedy 25? So again, material is canvas with giant monogram. Colorway I am seeing in beige and the pink color as well. We also have the Neon Away, so I'm seeing pink, and I also love this white and blue colorway. It's very cooling to the eyes. Then we have the Pochette Métis, again in my favorite colorway. We have the white with the blue LV monogram detail. Then we have the cotton and leather combination for the Neon Away. So I'm loving the contrast of the white cotton with the black monogram. Still on same collection, we have the Neon Away. Next, we have the return of the Trianon PM. So first is €2,350. Material is the bicolor front leather. So what do you think, guys, of the return of this bag? It also comes in different colors. So next we have in Empreinte Noir. So $2,250. So if you want to not this logo to be screaming, then this is going to be the bag for you. If you're not a fan of the noir, it comes in the cream front leather. Price is €2,250. Next, we have the Twist PM. Materials in epi leather. So what is interesting about this is, of course, the hardware. It's like the oil slick color metallic hardware. What do you think of this one? It also comes in the noir color, but look at the rainbow color of the hardware. It is calling to me, guys. What do you think? Next, of course, we have the white color as well. Price is 3,700 for this very beautiful twist MM. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So, are you adding anything to your Louis Vuitton wish list? Guys, have you taken screenshot of what we have discussed for today? I would love to hear from you, so kindly comment down below. Among all the bags that we have discussed, which ones are you adding to your wish list? Again, before we end our episode, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!